folks, here we got a KUHN Night. It's a 30-30 REEL AUGGIE mixer. Operates real smooth and quiet. There's the augers going round and round. It's clean and straight. It's got a rear bumper on the back. It is 540 PTO. I'll go ahead and I'll show you the hitch. The hitch is thick and a nice shape. And then it's hydraulic door and a hydraulic chute. I'll go ahead and climb up there and show you the inside. Hey, rev it up. Rev the tractor up. There it is, going round and round. Augers are in nice shape. And it'll be sold on auction time. No reserve auction, sold to the highest bidder. That's good. Shut the door once. Yeah, and raise the chute. Then it's got a DIGI-Star EZ 2000 scale.